Guys, we're literally days away from one of the most anticipated sneakers to drop this year. So today, I'm gonna show you guys 5 easy outfits with the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found, which hopefully gives you guys some inspiration on styling this pair of Jordan 1. And as we go through the different fits, just remember that everything I'm gonna be wearing, along with my sizing stats, will all be down in the description for you. Something that may have crossed your mind is the fact that the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found is a predominantly red sneaker, so you may be thinking these might be a little bit harder to style. However, I kind of think that these are pretty easy to style, which I think is part of what makes this such a dope sneaker. And as we go through these fits, you guys are gonna see just how well these sneakers go with a variety of different colored outfits. So jumping into outfit number 1, which I think is probably one of the easiest and cleanest outfits in my opinion, and it's pretty much just going all black. Black and red is a killer combo, and with the white from the Chicago Jordan 1s, it just makes it pop so much more. With this outfit, starting at the top, I've got literally my favorite Represent varsity jacket. I'm wearing a size medium, which is my true to size. However, I do know with Represent varsity jackets that I can size down for a little bit more of a cropped look, which I do think looks pretty sick. So just note that the varsity jacket is a little bit oversized. I would say stay true to size if you want the option of being able to layer it with like a hoodie or something. Now the white tee is also from Represent. It's just one of their blank t-shirts, and I'm also wearing a size medium in that. Now the pants I'm wearing is also from Represent. It's their carpenter pants in all over black. Now Represent, in my opinion, absolutely kills it when it comes to the fit of their jeans or just denim. Jeans are pretty much jeans. There's not too much you can do with them, so it's so crucial that the fit is nailed, and I think that's something that Represent does every single time perfectly. Now I'm personally wearing a 30-inch waist, which is my true to size, and again, it fits bang on. Just the simplicity and the all over black of this outfit absolutely kills. In my opinion, this is one of my favorite fits with this sneaker. Now for this next outfit, we are in full-fledged cozy mode because we're slapping on a pair of sweatpants. And honestly, I think gray sweatpants with the Chicago 1s is a killer combo as well. Just gave me like a more relaxed vintage style with this outfit, which I think works perfectly. Now the gray sweatpants that I'm wearing is from Cole Buxton, which after trying out a lot of Cole Buxton sweatpants, I gotta say they're pretty much my favorite now. I absolutely love the heavyweight material of the sweatpants. It just makes them sit on your legs super nicely, if that makes sense. You've got nice tight cuffing around the ankles, which just gives you a lot of adjustability, and also something that I think is pretty underrated is they have this elasticated material around the crotch. It just makes them easier to move around in and obviously a lot more comfortable. Now the size that I'm wearing is actually a size medium. In my experience, Cole Buxton sweatpants actually run quite small, so I would probably size up. Now, the white t-shirt is also from Cole Buxton as well, which I think honestly guys matches with this pair of Jordans absolutely perfectly, and I think just completes this outfit. Now Cole Buxton's t-shirts are super oversized and a little bit longer, so I would potentially size down. Personally, I'm wearing a size small. Now the graphic on this t-shirt is what absolutely brings this outfit home. As you can see, it's all over cracked and again has that vintage gym style feel to it. I just feel like that gym theme really plays into the sweatpants, and then obviously the fact that we're wearing a basketball sneaker. Now personally, I'm perfectly fine with just leaving the fit like that, just chilled out, super relaxed sweatpant and t-shirt mode. However, as we know, it's a little bit colder outside. I mean, we're pretty deep into full time over here, so I throw on this puffer vest from Represent, which doesn't take away from the overall theme of the outfit, but I think just kind of adds a little bit, you know, gives it a little bit of layer of warmth as well. All right, outfit number 3, and I think this is definitely one of my favorites as well, and I think a great showcase to just how versatile styling the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found actually is. So starting with the pants this time, I've got on the Represent denim in a light blue cream washed, which gives it this super vintage style to it. Man, light blue denim goes so well with the Chicago Lost and Found, it's crazy. I think typically in my mind, mixing blue with red is a little bit on the wilder side. Like you could very quickly start getting some Spider-Man vibes with your outfit. However, the lighter and more cream wash of this pair of jeans works tremendously well with the red and I guess sail vintage style of the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. I'm wearing a 30 waist with this pair of jeans. Again, Represent denim. They nail the sizing, the fit, everything, so you can stick true to size pretty comfortably. Up top, I've got on a knitted sweater, again from Represent, in this kind of cream or beige color. This knitted sweater is an absolute vibe with the jeans. I think obviously the colors work together super well. I think having the Jordan 1 Chicagos acting as just that kind of color pop just brings a lot more attention to the sneakers, which I personally really like. Now the sweater is actually a size small. I actually got it because I wanted a little bit more of a cropped size. However, it actually fits me pretty perfectly, so I would say either stick with your true to size or even size down. I think generally speaking, knitted sweaters stretch out a little bit over time as well, so that's something to keep in mind. I'm perfectly happy with my size small, even though typically I'm true to size medium. media. Overall, with this outfit, again, we're letting the sneakers do the talking. We're allowing them to be the pop piece. This next outfit consists of colors that when I threw it all together, I was like, damn, I really like the way that this goes with this pair of Jordan 1. I think it's definitely a color combo that I'm going to be leaning into in the future as I'm wearing my pair of Chicagos. That's mainly this forest green that comes with the pair of cargos I'm wearing. Now, they're from Black Taylor, specifically the N32 cargo, and again, I got a 30 waist. I just really like how the army green goes with the red from the Chicago Jordan 1s. It's something that I'm definitely going to be wearing in the future. These cargos also have the option to be tightened around the ankle cuff, so you can have that more techie look when you tighten them up, or just allow them to drape over the sneaker. Now up top, I've got that same white blank t-shirt from Represent, again, the one with the kind of like off-white color in it, and I've layered it with one of my favorite jackets, which is the Wings of Liberty denim jacket. This denim jacket has been nailed perfectly, in my opinion. Everything from the quality of the materials, the fit, just the sizing, it's a great jacket. It's actually handmade, and I'm not joking when I say that it has literally the softest shearling material on the inside I've ever felt. It's a super easy, cozy fit for the full time, and definitely an outfit that I'm going to be wearing repeatedly in the future. And lastly, for outfit number 5, we're throwing in the camo vibes on this one, specifically with the cargos. So these cargos are from Black Taylor again, specifically they're called the C9 cargo. Again, I got it in a 30 waist. And literally whenever I wear this pair of cargos, I've got people asking me where I got it from, which I just think is a combination of the color of camo that they are and also just the general fit of this pair. I actually do have a little bit of room around the waist with this pair of cargos, so I would potentially either size down a little bit or just throw on a belt and you'll be good to go. They've got the exact same cuffing adjustability as on the last Black Taylor pair, so again, you can tighten them up or just let them drape over the sneakers. Now up top, I've got Represent's latest puffer jacket, which actually came as like a little bit of a surprise to me. I normally keep it super simple with my puffer jackets, just usually all over black or like a darker gray. However, I got this one in, was absolutely blown away with just how much I love this freaking jacket. It's got this vintage washed effect, which is actually something I don't think I've ever even seen on a puffer jacket before. Like, it's darker in some areas and faded, and I just think it looks incredible. It's down-filled, so again, same as the puffer vest, it's just super light, packable, and super insulated. Overall, I'm a big fan of this outfit. It's a little bit less of a vintage style, I guess, to some degree, but it is super clean, and again, one that I'm going to be rocking throughout the winter time. And there you have it, guys. 5 simple outfits with the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Hopefully, this gave you guys some inspiration on how you're going to rock your pair when you cop. We're going to keep the positive vibes going. No L's over here. Obviously, a massive good luck when the release happens, which again is November the 19th. Let me know what you guys think of the outfits. Drop it down in the comment section. I want to thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.